Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is the continuation of the first two video of the series of building an application tracker app. So what you are seeing here in the screen is my VS Code editor, and I already run the Nux bit server using pnpm dev. So this is the rendered HTML on the server on the client side. So what I'm going to do for this video is to create a simple login functionality on Nux. You'll notice on the right side there are several directories, backend and front end. So for backend, these are Laravel framework. And for the front end is the Nux framework. Now, to create a login, we'll need to create a file inside server directory. So let's add API, and then in the API let's add login.post.ps. So in Nux, when you are going to define a file name, let's say you are going to create a request using post, then the naming convention for the file added in the API directory is similar to this: login post ts. If you are going to request using get, then login.get ts. That's the convention. So let's open. Now in the login, we can now import as like ref from view, and then export. Yeah, the AI is completing it for me. Alright, that's basically it, but this is wrong. I don't want to export as default. We would like to export as login. So this username, password, message. I'm going to change this into this login, and then login. Remove this. I just noticed that this is wrong. Because here I'm going to create similar to this one. So let's define the event handler and then read body. So import. I thought I was uncomposable earlier. So define event handler, this one. Then read body. So export define, this one. Then inside the body, you can declare this as kind of cons. We're going to get the username for now from the body, and then f username, yeah, that one. Then we just have to return a message login successful, else return login field. So that's basically the login. So with this login post, you can already request this one. There's a sample here. I don't know why I can't copy this one. Copy. Why aren't you allowing? Right. So we can now test by defining just that. We can now test that using CURL admin password. So I should be seeing successful login successful login field. For this one, I will be expecting to have the message successful login. Yeah, so it's because password admin, I put admin there. So this one already works. This one, need to test that just by changing password. Alright, so now this is working. So that's basically the very basic of handling login on the backend of NuxtJS. Now let's create a pages, and then in the pages let's define index.view. Okay, so first thing first, let's remove this Nux root, and from welcome to page. So I think so Nux page, and then on the pages, let's define a template here. Let's say dev and then some h1 below, the word, refresh, there it is, hello world. So it's working now. So now that it is working, we can change that into login. We can ask AI here to create a form, define a form. Login form. There it is. There is a simple login form. What does that look like? That's good. So action, we don't need action. What we need is submit login that prevent type email, username for now, because that's what we define here, username and password. Text, and then the password, submit. Next is, let's create a composable. Composables use login.ts. Then we can import module here, ref. I believe this is auto import. Let's try this experiment. Export function, use login. Right. Then let's define some username, ref, password. What else? Login async. Return here. Let's also define message and then s login. So there will be some additional here. Let's login. Await. We can use fetch. Method post header. Right. Name, value, password. Assign it to constants. Response. And then F. Not response, okay. Then constant. Await response JSON. Then throw error data that message. Right, so login. error, then you can also duplicate this one, but this time this will be false. Error. I'm not sure if this is, there is an error message in it. Is this correct? Handle submit. Composable async. Yeah. Login. Then we can call this on here. Script setup import use login from composables. I think this is auto import as well. Cons assign. Oh, that's wrong. Right. Now what we need is this one. Okay, we now have an access to login. Then we can access the model username here, the model password. And then down below you can add dev message bf. If message, then we can have a class success is logged in, error if not logged in. Then we have style that success green. Alright, so that's the basic form. We need this to wrap with dev. Alright, log in. So since there is already a ref, then it will be used here. Admin password. Okay, successfully. How about wrong password? Login failed but still green. Let's log in. Message. This is true. Because this is always true. Let's add a status here. Is login like this. It's login true. Login false. And then here, let's call the data that is login. Can we have a console log here? Username, admin. Came here. Yeah, came here. This did not display, so it came here. Yeah. So this is logged in. It's logged in. It's logged in. Message value, login that value is logged in. Typo. So it should be red. Still the same. There's no console log for this one. Open in browser. Some random password. It's false. So if this is false, it should be false here. Message is logged in. Ah, error. Yeah, just because of some class. So yeah, I created a simple login. So on the next, I'm going to explore how can I call the API on Laravel to validate login, and then use cookie based storage so that I can keep track on login state of the application. So that's it for now for this video. Thank you and see you on the next.